Did you know one man had hiccups for 68 years straight? Charles Osborne started hiccuping in 1922 and didn't stop until 1990. Here's what most people don't realize. Hiccups aren't just a muscle twitch. They're a loop inside your brainstem, and once that loop gets stuck, your nervous system has no guaranteed way to shut it off. Chronic hiccups destroy sleep. They burn through calories. They damage the esophagus over time. And the neurological exhaustion they cause is something no home remedy can touch. One of the most ignored things your body does can become completely impossible to stop. What happens if you never blink? Follow for the next one.